Hey guys, pick up one of those other things too. What's that? Oh, here is smoke alarm.
Be cooking.
Be cooking.
Let's go investigate.
Hey, I bet you it's him cooking. What you want to bet?
We about to go see. We was Channel 3 News. Da, da, da. We have to investigate the siren with the extreme high decibel sound going off.
Smell the old grease coming out the door. Smell it.
Smell like old grease. Let's go see what happened. Could be dangerous. I don't know if we should call for backup or not.
Ain't big. You got a burger in the house.
Must have cooked it in the toaster. Hey man, you burning up stuff?
No, boy, you know I don't burn shit. I learned from some of the best.
That's right.
We burn shit up in here.
Yeah. Okay, I had to go check on you because I heard the thing. And smoke inhalation will get people most of the time, not the flame.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
All right, for sure.